Y'all, it's been 3 years, 3 whole years since I've done a rod set, and I still got it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney, aka Raging Curls. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a rod set on stretched hair. I love rod sets. It's a style when my hair was a lot shorter. I used to do all the time, but I don't have the luxury and as much time on my hands now to do it all the time. So this is like my first rod set, and I think the last one I did was like in the fall of 2017. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it turns out good. I have my hair. I already stretched my hair. If you want a video on the heatless method I use to stretch it, then let me know and I can film one for you all. So I already have my hair sectioned off. I'm gonna have a middle part, and then in the back I have 3 sections. I'm gonna be using, I don't have, since my hair's gotten longer, I've never went out and bought like the bigger flexi rod, perm rods. So this is like the biggest size I have, the orange ones. Then I have the cream colored and the purple. So I'm gonna try to use as many orange ones as I can, but I always like to use a smaller one in the front to kind of create like shape to my hair. So I'm gonna be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. It's the only product I'm going to be using. I don't have anything in my hair. I did, after I shampooed, I put leave-in conditioner in my hair, but that's it. So let's go ahead and start with the first section. It's kind of up to you all, like how big or small you want your sections to be. It's kind of preference. I think I might have to make my roller stretch a little bit, so I might have to do bigger sections than I would like, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb. I'm gonna make sure my section is really detangled. I feel like that's a big thing when you're doing a rod set. Like, your hair has to be detangled. It has to be smooth when you're rolling it up, or it's not gonna turn out good. Take my phone. I'm gonna use about 1 pump per section because I don't want my hair super duper damp. This is going to take longer to dry. And you can, I used to always do my rod sets on wet hair. It just takes a very long time to dry. So, I mean, you can do it on wet hair if you want. It's totally preference. If you do want to see me do a rod set on wet hair, then let me know down below. I can film that. I think I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more mousse. You really want to make sure you have a good amount of product on your ends. Take my denim brush to make sure the section is smooth. I think I want to add, do like 3 pumps actually. Okay. Smooth it one more time. I'm gonna take my perm rod and zoom in. I like to roll mine from the bottom up. I know a lot of people roll it from the top down. I don't really care for that method personally. So take it. I'm gonna wrap my hair around the ends to make sure the end stays intact or it doesn't like slip out. Then I'm gonna roll it up. Get a good amount to make sure the end is fully covered, and then I'll start to coil my hair around. When you fasten the end of the perm rod, you want to make sure this cord or whatever you call it is on top of your hair. You don't want to make it under, and that's how you that's how you're gonna make sure like the perm rod is tight. So make sure this, like the little bungee, is like on the top. Here I am showing a view from the back of what I'm doing, like a little closer view. So I'm gonna detangle thoroughly with my Denman brush and my wide tooth comb. And I'm really gonna work that product in at my roots and my end. And then I'm gonna start to roll my hair on the perm rod. And I really wanna make sure my end is secure before I start to coil my hair around the rod. And as you see here, like the bungee was like kind of on the bottom of the roller. And as you can see, that section was loose. So definitely make sure it's on the top. So I ended up doing the bulk of my hair off camera because this video is super duper long. So I had to cut most of it out, and it's just the same steps over and over. And I only ended up using the orange and the cream colored perm rods. I didn't use the purple. As you can see, I just used the cream colored ones in the middle of the front two sections. And I actually did not sit under the dryer. I had a few errands to run around town, just like bank runs and stuff, you know, while I wasn't really getting out of the car. So I let my hair air dry while I was riding around. And I think I took my rollers out maybe like 2.5 hours later, 2 hours maybe. So it's dried really fast. I'm thinking maybe it's because it was hot outside and the heat helped a lot. So no sitting on the dryer. And I did put some Mielle Organics mint almond oil on my hands as I was taking my hair down. So be careful taking it down. I know some little stray pieces were kind of getting like caught, and I was kind of not taking my time with it as I should have. So definitely take your time taking it down. And I ended up not fluffing my hair or using a pick because it's naturally going to get bigger as the days go by. And my curls turned out gorgeous. Like, this is one of the best perm rod sets I've done, and I'm loving it. My hair is super duper shiny and bouncy. I really hope you all like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.